How to add filters and effects in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a new or existing design where you want to enhance your images or elements. Next, select the photo, element or graphic you want to edit by clicking on it. Once selected, the top toolbar will display the edit option. Click on it to open Canva's editing panel. In the panel, you will find filters and effects. Filters allow you to quickly change the look of your image with preset styles such as natural, warm, cool, vivid, soft, vintage and more. Simply click on a filter to apply it immediately. For more advanced customization, go to the Effects section. Here you can explore special effects such as shadows, duotone, blur, autofocus and face retouch. You can also adjust the intensity of each effect to achieve the perfect look for your design. After applying filters and effects, you can further refine your design by layering elements, adding text, or combining multiple effects to make your image stand out professionally. Finally, once you are satisfied with your edits, click download or share to save your design in formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF. Now you know how to add filters and effects in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.